Linode Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Linode Affiliate Program Review. If you're considering joining, check out the links in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. Linode is a well-established cloud hosting provider known for its developer-friendly infrastructure, predictable pricing, and high-performance virtual machines. It primarily caters to developers, startups, SaaS businesses, and enterprises looking for scalable cloud solutions. If your audience consists of tech-savvy users, programmers, or businesses needing cloud hosting, Linode is an excellent product to promote. The Linode Affiliate Program offers a simple yet rewarding commission structure. Affiliates earn $100 per referred customer who remains active for 90 days and spends at least $25. This ensures high-quality referrals and reduces fraudulent signups. The cookie duration is 90 days, giving you a good window to convert leads into paying customers. Linode's affiliate system is powered by Impact Radius, a well-known tracking platform that provides real-time performance analytics, detailed reports, and commission tracking. One of the biggest advantages of Linode's affiliate program is its high commission per referral compared to standard shared hosting programs. However, because Linode is a cloud infrastructure provider, your audience must have some level of technical knowledge. This is not a typical web hosting service for beginners. That said, if you run a tech blog, YouTube channel, or website focused on cloud computing, DevOps, or server management, Linode can be a high-converting and profitable affiliate offer. Payouts are processed through Impact Radius, and payments can be made via PayPal, direct deposit, or wire transfer, depending on your location. The $100 per customer commission makes it a lucrative choice for affiliates in the cloud hosting niche. However, it's important to focus on high-intent traffic, as casual users may not be as likely to convert. Overall, the Linode Affiliate Program is an excellent choice for affiliates targeting developers and businesses needing cloud hosting. With high commissions, a generous cookie window, and a trusted affiliate network, it offers a solid earning opportunity. If you're ready to join, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.